Hey everyone, today I want to go over resetting the oil maintenance light on a 5th generation Honda CR-V. Now you can do this without starting the car, but we do have to turn the ignition on. So we're just going to wake the car up. All the systems are going to come on as if it was started. Now I think there's two different ways to do this. I think the easiest way is to do this through the touch screen. So we're going to go over to the touch screen, go to Home, Settings, Vehicle, scroll down, Maintenance Information. Now it's at 100% now because I just reset it, but I just want to cover how to do it. We're going to go to Select, Reset Items. You would normally click All Items Due, because normally the oil filter and the tire rotation will come together. So we're going to click Reset. So we just reset it to 100%. We can go back to the normal screen. Now the other way to do this without the touch screen is on the left side of the steering wheel here. So we're going to hit this information button until we see this. Then we're going to scroll right to the little wrench. We're going to hit Enter. You're going to see the oil life is at 100%, but we're going to reset it again just to show how it works. So we're going to push and hold that Enter button for approximately 10 seconds or until we're going to see a little display screen come up. There it is. So you have cancel, but we're going to scroll down to All Items Due. Hit Enter, and the reset's complete. So those are the two different ways to reset the oil maintenance light on this 5th generation Honda CR-V. So I hope you enjoyed the video. Thanks for watching.